Moving target is not a project in and of itself, but a way to structure a project to both increase student engagement and success and avoid excessive grading on the part of the instructor. In this activity, students essentially complete the same assignment or activity multiple times, but with new information each time. This may be new information that they are given about the same topic as previous versions, or it may be an entirely new client, new situation, or case study. This can be used to replace existing assignments built on multiple drafts of the same assignment or multiple different case studies. This structure helps students to focus on why changes are made in subsequent versions. They are asked to identify what has changed in the information that they were given and what changes that has led to in their assignments, and why. Let's look at an example of how this approach might be used. Perhaps you are teaching a criminal justice or law course, and students are asked to draft an opening argument for a hypothetical criminal case. They could be the prosecutor or the defense lawyer. Either scenario would work. In each new version of the assignment, new evidence has been found in the case. This new evidence must then be implemented into each new draft, encouraging students to consider how this new information will change their approach to the case and the opening statement. In an alternative and perhaps more brief version of this activity, each student or group of students could be given their own version of the scenario and then asked to compare their responses. Groups would then discuss and reflect on what led to the differences between these responses. As you design this activity, consider how you will structure the grading or weight of each assignment. Will later versions be worth more points towards the final grade, or will all versions be equal? Finally, remember to include a formal reflection where students can discuss why their responses have changed between versions, and be sure to mark the importance of this component by assigning it its fair share of the final assignment grade.